Yes.
1 upon cos A. This is whole upon.
This student is really very slow. So whenever you're thinking that the student is going very slow, he takes time. So you need to slow down your speed according to that guy. So I'm doing the same thing here. So watch it carefully.
1 plus sec A upon sec A is equal to what?
Yes.
So see, I'm talking about LHS. So here I can write 1 as it is and sec A as 1 upon cos A. Right, Neil? And this 1 upon cos A. When you simplify this, you will get cos A plus 1. I took LCM over there, okay? So cos A plus 1 upon cos A upon 1 upon cos A. This is whole upon.
Yes.
After that, you can write cos A plus 1 upon cos A divided by 1 upon cos A. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
So cos A plus 1 upon cos A into, I will take reciprocal now, cos A upon 1. So finally we are getting cos A get cancelled. So 1 plus cos A. This is equation 1. Now take your RHS sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. RHS sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. So we can easily write sin square A as 1 minus cos square A. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because we know sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Now I can write this single one as 1 square. And now I will use A square minus B square identity. That is A
Yes.
plus B times A minus B. So you can write 1 plus cos A times 1 minus cos A upon 1 minus cos A. These two cancelled and you're getting 1 plus cos A. This is equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2 you can write finally from equation 1 and equation 2 we can say LHS is equals to RHS. Right, Neil?